Hello my dear students, today we will discuss very important chapter of class 7th. The name of chapter is Fiber to Fabric. In this chapter number 3, we will discuss very important topics. First one is wool and second one is silk. Wool is derived from the fur of animals like sheep, goat, yak, camel, and alpaca. Wool is derived from the body of these all animals. Leading commercial producers of wool are Australia, China, and New Zealand. This the main properties of wool are its scale and crimp make it is easier to shine. It is bulky, so retain air and heat. It is made up of keratin and resistance to more organic acids. Some powerful mineral acids like sulfuric acids. Light in weight and versatile. This is very important property. Now use of wool for clothing, carpeting, insulation, to absorb odor and noise in heavy machinery and speakers. After uses of wool, we will discuss about selective breeding. Here the parent sheep are specially selected to give birth to an offspring that has only soft under hairs, which are mainly using from making wool. There are two types of wool. One is coarse wool and second one is fine wool. After this, we will discuss about wool processing steps. Shearing is the process of removing wool from the sheep using a razor or a shearing machine. Wool state of a sheep contain a high level of grease, dirt, dead skin, vegetable matters, and is called grease wool. So separation of wool, the wool is then separated into fleece, piece, and locks. After separation of wool from the body of the animals who one give us wool, scoring process occur. What is the mean of scoring? Means cleaning of wool, and it is be done by warm water or through an industrial process. Chemical carbonization is also the removal of vegetable matter from wool by the help of chemical process. Knitting semi-grease wool can be made into yarn, special type of wools. Chiru wools. Chiru is the world finest and warmest wool obtained from the undercoat of Chiru, and it is known as the king of wool. After Chiru wool, Vicuna wool. Vicuna produce small amount of extremely fine wool, and it is relative of the llama and alpaca, and it live in high area of Indus. Now after this, Angora wool. Angora wool refer to the coat produced by the Angora rabbit. Kashmiri wool. Kashmiri wool is be made from Australian Cashmere goat, and it is also fine wool. Now type of fibers. There are two main type of fibers from where we get it. Natural and man-made. Natural fibers are be distinguished into two main parts, plant fiber and animal fiber. So this animal fiber examples wool, silk, these fibers we get from the animal. So here in this chapter number 3 of your class 7th, we will discuss about these two main fibers, wool and silk. Man-made fiber, acrylic fiber are also example of man-made fiber, and man-made fiber is also known as synthetic fiber. Now heart problem faced by the worker in wool industry. Wool industry provide livelihood to many people in India. However, people involved in sorting of wool job work in severe risky condition as in their work they easily get infected by the bacteria and it's called anthrax which cause a fatal blood disease and the name of disease is sorter disease.